Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Do you know Bougainvillea is a low maintenance plant which can survive in any climate? During harsh climates in Delhi, many of our plants die. But only the Bougainvillea survives year after year, and you can easily propagate this plant from stem cutting. In today's video, I'll be telling you the basic care of this plant, how you can get more flowers from this plant, and how you can grow new plants from cutting. Do you know you can also easily do grafting in this plant? But first, I'll be answering some commonly asked questions. First question, do Bougainvilleas need full sun? Yes, they need 6 hours of direct sunlight daily to bloom well. Second, how often should I water Bougainvilleas? Water deeply but let soil dry in between. Overwatering will result in no flowers but only leaves. Some reasons why your Bougainvilleas may not be flowering is that it may receive too much water or not enough sunlight, or excess fertilizer with too much nitrogen, or needs light pruning to encourage new growth. So if your plant's not flowering well, then make sure that you don't overwater your plant. Also, keep the plant in a sunny area. And for flowering, nitrogen is not essential. Phosphorus and potassium-rich fertilizers are the best for your flowers. And do you know you can easily get potassium-rich fertilizer from banana peel? Also, make sure to time prune your plants. If you want to know how you can make banana peel fertilizer, then make sure that you check our channel. We have many long videos as well as shorts. The next question is that can Bougainvilleas be easily grown in pots? Yes, you can definitely plant it in pots. Do you know we plant all our Bougainvilleas in pots? Simply plant it in a large pot around 8 to 10 inches with good drainage, and make sure to check for root bound. Next question is that can Bougainvilleas lose their leaves? Yes, these Bougainvilleas shed their leaves during the winter season. Also during rainy season, you will find only leaves. This is due to the overwatering. Next question is that can you grow Bougainvilleas indoors? No, you cannot. They need full outdoor sun. So if you keep them indoors, you will find less flowers. Next question is that how often should you prune your plants? Make sure that you prune it after each blooming cycle, after early spring and during the rainy season. Now after pruning you will find many cuttings. So after pruning, make sure that you look for a little stem. Make sure that you remove all the leaves and plant it in a loamy soil or in sand. And just keep it in a shaded area, and within 4 to 6 weeks you'll see that the roots will be growing. That's how you can grow many Bougainvilleas from a single plant. That's how you can make your garden colorful even during the heat waves. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.